Hello, today I'm going to show you unboxing of this Cricut Explorer Air 2, how to set it up and connect it to Bluetooth. Stay tuned. So all Cricut machines come securely packaged and they've got a few freebies to give you, such as the mat and the pen. We have our power cords here, suitable for all different types of power outlet. This is the Cricut Explorer Air 2, which can cut many materials. So here are the different power outlets. It's usually put in with the 2-pin one, but as I'm in the UK, I'm going to change it to the 3-pin plug. You just take out this adapter here and you plug in your required adapter. Make sure you unravel any cords to ensure it reaches your power supply without stretching. This was a new Cricut machine that Cricut had sent me because my old Cricut machine was a bit faulty. It was about 2 years old and it was moving a bit faulty. But Cricut support are really good, and if there are any issues, they will usually send you a new machine. So I've got my Cricut facing on the back part of my Cricut. Once you've unraveled it, you can put the cord in the correct place, and that is the power cord. Next, you need the cord that connects your Cricut machine to your laptop or computer, and it looks kind of like this. You just plug it into the back and it's a USB, so you can just plug the USB straight into your computer, but I will show you how to connect it via Bluetooth as well in this video. So to open up your machine, you press this button right here and it has a slow kind of opening effect. So this machine is amazing and I'm going to teach you everything that you can do with this machine. This part of the machine is called a housing. This is where the blades are if you want to put in any tools. It's got a compartment underneath here where you can keep your blades or any small accessories. And it's got a larger compartment underneath here. This is very good at storing your Cricut tools or anything a bit longer that you need to store. The Explorer Air 2 and 3 also have this dial where you can set your settings. There is another way to set the settings, which I will show you in another video. You have these 3 buttons at the bottom. One is to load your mat, the first one. The C is for the Cricut to cut, and the pause is just to pause when you want to pause your actual project. You can keep pens in this compartment. Keep your pens down. It makes them last a lot longer as well. So this is where you turn the machine on. When you turn it on, the light comes up. There's so many creations you can have with this Cricut machine. I've started my Cricut coaching, so if you do want one-on-one sessions, check out the link in the description box. So the Cricut machine comes with this information booklet that says open me first. It also has a few paper crafts that you can use. Inside it's got different language translations, English, French, Dutch, so many different languages to get you started on using your Cricut machine. So we're going to use the English one and follow the steps. So step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Step 1 is to unleash the Cricut, 2 get connected, 3 make a little something, and 4 bookmark this page. So let's get started on doing these steps. So I went to Cricut.com setup as it said on the information booklet. You select the Cricut machine that you have. I've got the Cricut Explorer family. If you've got a Cricut Maker, you select Maker, whichever one you have. And then it says download design space to continue setup. And then you download this onto your computer. So once the program is downloaded, you can open up that program and then you can install it onto your computer or your laptop, whichever one you're using. It will start to install, and when it has finished installing, it will open up. So once that's all done, Cricut will upload onto your desktop and you won't have to download it again. It will be there. You can save it as a favorite on your desktop so you don't have to look for it in your program files. This is the Cricut dashboard which you're presented with, and you always get updates. So if anything is new, a new feature, a new update, Cricut will let you know with this pop-up box. So here you can see it's got a new app experience, personalized profile background images. They do updates quite often, so it is always good to have a read of what is going on in the Cricut world. So this is Cricut's dashboard. Press new project to open up your canvas. On the side of your canvas, you've got different features such as templates, shapes. Here you've got different shapes that you can use to either make SVGs or to make a project, anything you want. I'll be showing you on my other videos how to use these shapes. You've got so many images on Cricut Design Space as well, and text where you can write wherever you want to write. You can change your font. I'll just write hello here. If you go to the top here, you can select font and pick from so many different fonts that you want to choose. So I have got Cricut Access here where I pay a monthly subscription, and it allows me to have all of these fonts at my fingertips. So now I'm going to show you how to pair your Cricut device with your computer, so you don't have to plug it in every time you use it. You can even be in a different room and send projects to print. So go to your Bluetooth settings on your computer, and then right here you go to add device. This will add any devices that your computer can pick up that are transmitting Bluetooth signals. Once the window pops up, you go to Bluetooth, and when you select Bluetooth, you should see any devices that can be paired. I'm going to look for my Cricut one. There you see Cricut Air 2, A1. So I just select my Cricut machine. I do have another Cricut machine, so that's why I have two different Cricut machines on there. So this is the one I want to connect, and you can see connected. And now I can easily just send any projects I want straight to my Cricut machine without plugging it in. So here you can see when I go to make it. So now this Cricut machine is set up, it's connected to Bluetooth, it's ready to go. So as I said, there are so many creations you can do with your Cricut. If you want to make this as a business, you can be very successful as long as you find the right target market. So I will be posting more videos for beginners to get you started. So make sure you subscribe so you can see which videos I'm going to post. I'm going to go through many of these Cricut projects that you see on Cricut Dashboard, which will allow you to become more comfortable with using your Cricut machine as a craft, as a business, as a hobby, whatever you want to do it for. If you do want one-on-one teaching, just me and you online, I do have Cricut coaching courses. The link is in the description. Bye.